Welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you might be all too familiar with: leg cramps. These sudden, painful muscle contractions can be incredibly frustrating and often strike when you least expect them, like in the middle of a peaceful night. They can disrupt your activities, rob you of good sleep, and make even a short walk feel daunting. But here's the good news. Leg cramps are manageable, and in many cases, preventable. One easy and natural way to combat them is by making simple changes to your diet. In this video, we'll walk you through 6 powerful foods that can help prevent leg cramps, especially in seniors. These foods are delicious, nutrient-packed, and easy to include in your daily meals. Whether you're looking to stop those nighttime surprises, or simply want stronger and healthier muscles overall, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods to eat and how to use them to feel your best every day. Let's get started. Before we dive into the foods, let's take a moment to understand the problem. Leg cramps happen when your muscles tighten up and won't relax. This can be caused by several factors, but 3 of the most common ones are: muscle fatigue. As we age, our muscles lose some of their strength and resilience, which can make them more prone to spasms. Dehydration. When your body doesn't have enough water, your muscles can't function properly, leading to cramping. Nutrient deficiencies. A lack of essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium can disrupt the delicate balance needed for muscle contraction and relaxation. Age can amplify all of these issues. Medications or health conditions can also play a role, which is why it's important to stay proactive about your health. Now, here's the great news. With the right foods, you can replenish those key nutrients, keep your body hydrated, and help your muscles function at their peak. There are 3 nutrients that play an important role in preventing leg cramps. Let's quickly go over them so you'll know exactly what your body needs. Potassium. This vital mineral helps regulate the fluid balance in your body and ensures your muscles can contract and relax as they should. Magnesium helps your muscles recover and relax, reducing the likelihood of spasms. It also improves blood circulation, an important factor in preventing cramping. Calcium. Known for keeping bones strong, calcium is just as important for healthy muscles. It's essential for proper muscle contraction and nerve function. And let's not forget about hydration. Managing your fluid and electrolyte levels can do wonders for preventing cramps by supporting your muscles in functioning properly. So, now that you know the why, let's move on to the how, the 6 foods that'll keep those cramps away. Let's start with a classic favorite: bananas. These yellow powerhouses are loaded with potassium, one of the most essential nutrients for preventing leg cramps. Potassium helps support proper muscle function by maintaining balance in the fluids inside and outside your cells. Bananas are also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them on their own as a quick snack or add them to your morning cereal. Blend them into a smoothie with some yogurt and spinach for a double health boost. Not only are they delicious, but they're also a no-fuss way to get nutrients on the go. Next up, let's talk about leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These veggies are loaded with magnesium, a mineral critical for your muscle health. Magnesium helps relax your muscles, which can prevent those sudden spasms we all dread. It's like giving your muscles a mini massage from the inside out. Adding leafy greens to your meals is easier than you think. Toss some spinach into an omelet for breakfast, make a kale-packed smoothie, or add Swiss chard to your stir-fry. Whether eaten fresh or cooked, these greens pack a punch when it comes to stopping leg cramps. Did you know dehydration is one of the most common causes of leg cramps? When your muscles don't get enough water, they can seize up, which is why staying hydrated is crucial. Enter watermelon, your hydration superhero. Watermelon is more than 90% water, so it's the perfect fruit to quench your thirst while replenishing your electrolytes. Not only does it contain potassium, but it's also refreshing, sweet, and easy to eat. Keep pre-cut slices of watermelon in your fridge for a convenient snack, or toss chunks into a fruit salad. On hot days, you can blend it into a cooling drink that feels like a treat while working wonders for your hydration. When people think about calcium, strong bones come to mind, but did you know it's just as critical for muscle health? Without enough calcium, your muscles may struggle to contract and relax properly, which can trigger cramps. That's why dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are so effective in reducing cramping. If you're lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options, don't worry. There are plenty of calcium-fortified non-dairy alternatives like almond milk, oat milk, and calcium-added juices to keep your calcium levels in check. Start your day with a bowl of yogurt topped with fruits. Add almond milk to your coffee, or enjoy a slice of cheese with whole-grain crackers for a tasty snack. The options are endless. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they're mighty when it comes to magnesium. Rich in this cramp-fighting nutrient, pumpkin seeds make for a perfect snack that helps keep your muscles relaxed and healthy. It's easy to add these crunchy treats to your diet. Sprinkle them on top of salads, mix them into oatmeal, or simply snack on them roasted. They deliver a satisfying crunch paired with powerful muscle-relaxing benefits. Finally, let's talk about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are fantastic sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. While omega-3s don't directly stop cramping, they help keep your muscles strong and healthy overall. The best part? Eating fatty fish is simple. Enjoy a baked salmon fillet with steamed veggies, or whip up some flavorful fish tacos. If fish isn't a regular part of your diet, you can always try a high-quality fish oil supplement to reap the same benefits. We can't talk about preventing leg cramps without emphasizing the importance of staying hydrated. Many cramps can be traced back to dehydration. When you're not drinking enough water, your muscles can't function properly, which increases the chances of cramping. Coconut water is a fantastic option for hydration, as it's packed with potassium and natural electrolytes. You can also keep a water bottle handy to remind yourself to sip consistently throughout the day. Herbal teas and fruit-infused water are other great alternatives to plain water. Okay, now you know the 6 cramp-fighting foods, but how do you make them a regular part of your diet? Small changes can go a long way. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Plan your meals ahead. Include a mix of these foods in each meal. Have a banana with breakfast, a leafy green salad for lunch, and salmon for dinner. Snack smart. Keep options like pumpkin seeds, yogurt, or watermelon on hand for quick, easy snacks. Rotate your choices. You don't need all 6 foods every day. Instead, rotate them to keep your meals interesting and varied. These small steps will help you naturally build a diet that supports your muscle health without feeling overwhelming. While diet is a big piece of the puzzle, there are other lifestyle changes that can make a difference. Stretch regularly. Stretching your legs, especially your calves and hamstrings, can improve your flexibility and reduce cramping. Stay active. Light exercises like walking or yoga can improve circulation and keep your muscles in tip-top shape. Talk to your doctor. If leg cramps persist, consult a doctor to rule out any underlying issues. Custom recommendations might be needed based on your health conditions or medications. Leg cramps don't have to control your life. By incorporating these 6 foods, bananas, leafy greens, watermelon, dairy or calcium-fortified alternatives, pumpkin seeds, and fatty fish, along with staying hydrated, you can significantly reduce and even prevent those painful spasms. Remember, better muscle health starts with small, consistent changes. Try these foods, stay active, and make hydration a priority. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who can benefit from these tips. Together, we can all take steps toward living stronger, healthier, and cramp-free lives. See you in the next video.